Google Home Mini smart speakers were launched in India on Tuesday at an event in New Delhi. The larger of the two Google Assistant-powered smart speakers was unveiled at Google's first hardware event in October 2016, whilst the smaller of the two was unveiled at the Mountain View company's second hardware event in October 2017. The Google Home and Google Home Mini will be available to buy online in the country exclusively via Flipkart, and will also be made available via offline stores. In India, speakers will support Google Play Music, YouTube, Netflix, Saavn, and Gaana. Hindi support will be added to Google Home speakers later this year. There are no immediate plans to bring the larger Google Home Max speaker to India at the moment. The Google Home price in India has been set at Rs 9,999, a price that sees it compete directly with the Amazon Echo smart speaker, powered by the Alexa voice-based virtual assistant, in the country. Google Home will come in a chalk fabric base, and coral will come soon. To recall, the Amazon Echo is priced at Rs 9,999 as well. Likewise, the Google Home Mini takes on the Amazon Echo Dot, and features a Rs 4,499 price, the same as the Echo Dot. Google Home Mini is available in chalk and charcoal fabric colors. Speaking at the launch event, Rishi Chandra, VP of Product Management and General Manager of Home Products, Google said, "We are delighted to bring our best-in-class home products to India. These products have been customized to match the needs of the Indian consumer, and you will see that Google Home is truly desi. It understands Indian accents, and will respond to you with uniquely Indian contexts." Another unmatched feature of our product is that the Google Assistant can work across all your devices, giving you a personalized assistant experience in its truest sense. The Google Home features a touch surface on top, which can be used to control playback, volume, and also activate the Google Assistant. Its mic, which offers far-field voice recognition and identifies different voices with voice match technology, is also located on the top panel, while its mic mute button and power status light are located at the back. The top panel also features the lights that change patterns and colors depending on the action being formed.